First, in this video, I'll show you how to make miso soup step by step, so even beginners can follow along easily. Today's miso soup is Japanese style chowder. Here are today's ingredients. For the cooking tips and key points, make sure to watch the video until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. Cabbage. Peel off about 3 cabbage leaves. If you cut out the core, the leaves come off more easily. Cut off the tough parts. Cut into bite-sized pieces. You can also tear it by hand. Coarsely ground sausages. Slice diagonally into pieces, about ½ inch, 1 cm thick. Cutting it diagonally increases the surface area, bringing out more of the sausage's flavor. Canned sweet corn. You don't have to transfer it to a bowl. It's fine as is. Prepare a pot. Add about 400 ml water. Powdered dashi stock. Add about 1 teaspoon of powdered dashi. Bring it to a boil over medium heat. Once it comes to a boil, add the sausages. The sausage acts as a natural flavor booster. Once it comes back to a boil, add the cabbage. Cabbage adds natural sweetness. Cover with a lid. Wait for it to come to a boil. It's simmering nicely. Turn off the heat at this point. Next, dissolve the miso into the soup. Don't boil the miso. Heat destroys its unique fragrance. Miso strainer. Using this, you can dissolve the miso in no time. Miso. Add about 1½ tablespoons of miso. Add the corn. For that satisfying crunch. Taste it. If it tastes too light, add more miso. If it's too strong, add a little water. Yum! It's ready. Let's eat! If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel.